That's fucked up, man. DEF problems.
If you know somebody, let me know.
No.
No, I stay Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan.
That's why, because most of the time you're stuck in traffic.
That's ill.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was telling you. So when it comes on, I usually try to gun it as much as possible, but there's so much traffic. Where you gonna go?
Yeah.
You see the problems I deal with?
Over here, Utopia Parkway. You see this?
Doesn't run by itself now?
I mean, it's been good. I haven't had any problems for like the last couple of months, to be honest. You know what I started doing? I started using the expensive DEF fluid, the platinum, and I haven't had problems for a couple of months now. Yeah. Believe it or not, I got like 7 years in business, and this is the first time I'm getting towed. I don't feel that lucky. Huh?
But this brand new truck, I broke down once already.
Oh shit.
For 7 years, one time.
No, I mean, I've had issues, but this is the So do you work on the corner right there at Claremont? Or no, you somebody else?
Oh no, by the Kasiasko.
I thought you were over there by Kenny's.
Oh, that's the other guy, K-Speed.
Oh,
Okay, he's high.
oh yeah? He told me once.
We have arrived.